All right, so we're going to start with number 4 on the end of Unit 1 test. Okay, this says describe a sequence of transformations that shows that polygon A is congruent to polygon B. So first thing, I see the word sequence. That means there's multiple transformations that happen. So there might be a rotation, there might be a reflection, and there might be a translation. Okay, and there's going to be a combo of 2 of those. Which 2? Not sure. We got to figure that out. So, first thing you should have done, okay, is notice, how does A change to B? Does it stay the exact same? Did I just slide it down? No. That shape turned. So I know there's probably a rotation in there. Okay, I also see that it moved. All right, because it moved, it's probably a translation. Okay, reflection, did my shape, like, is it the mirror image? No. So it's probably not a reflection, okay? So first thing I would do is use my trace paper, okay? I want to trace over my original shape, okay? Shape A. You should be doing this with your trace paper, okay? Pause the video until you're ready. Now, I want to change my shape so it looks like this. So I want this point, because this is a corresponding angle to this angle, to be in the same direction. I want it to be pointing up instead of like to the side and down. So to do that, I'm going to have to rotate. Now, a lot of us didn't put a point of rotation. So if I choose to rotate here, okay, and I might label that on my paper and say, okay, well, let's call this point M. I'm going to need that when I write my description, okay? Then I'm going to turn. Remember, this is a 4-sided shape. It's a square, your trace paper. So every angle is 90. So I'm going to turn it, okay? Here's if I turn it 90 degrees. Does that look like my final shape? Yeah, it's in the same location in terms of direction of all of my points, okay? Then I can figure out, well, how do I get from here to here? It's a slide. How much am I sliding by? Don't just tell me it's a translation. Tell me how many units you translated. Tell me which direction. Did you go up to? Did you go down to? Did you go right to? Did you go left to? How are you moving that shape? Okay, maybe you're like, it's not 90. Turn it again. Was it 180? Was it 270? Okay, but you need to find a combination of 2 transformations that make up this move. Okay, then you're going to write it here. If you need more help, come and check in with Miss G.